Hello my viewers and welcome to today's video. My name is Brian and today I'll be teaching you how to remove the background of an image using a pre-installed software on Windows 10. So all you have to do is go over to the search and then type in Paint 3D and then open that particular app that appears right there. And once this opens, you are going to click on the new to start a new project. And once you're here, so this is the interface, this is how it looks like. So hover to the menu up here and click on that, and since we are open, click on browse new files and then open to open the particular image you want to remove the background. So for today we'll be using this picture of this beautiful lady right here. So let's open that. Yep, so once that is open, we are going to hover over the top and go to Magic Select and click on that. So that brings you select points that you can drag to resize and actually select the particular image you want to appear, the subject of the image that you want to appear once the background is removed. So I think that is perfect. So once that is done, click on next right on the right here. So once you click on next, that processes, and once your subject is highlighted and your background is blurred, that shows you the particular subject that is going to remain once you remove the background. And on the right here we have options. We have autofill background. So what this option does is once you remove your once it detaches your particular subject from the background, it tries to refill the background with something else that probably might have been there when the photo was taken. So let's leave that there and then click done and let that process again. Yep, as you can see now, the image has been selected. The subject that we wanted to remove from the background has been selected and has been detached. As you can see from right below here, it has been detached from the background and you can move it to whatever place we want. And as you can see, the software tried to fill in whatever might have been there when the photo was taken. Okay, so once we have a particular subject selected, now when you can move it around, that means the subject has been detached from the background. So let us leave it there and then right click on it and copy. So once it's detached, you can copy it and use it whatever place you want. So for example, if you are doing a PowerPoint presentation, so all you need to go is open your PowerPoint and then paste it whatever you want. So probably click right there, right click and then paste. Yep, and once your image is pasted, you can resize it to whatever option you want, to whatever size you want. Actually, you can resize the image to whatever size perfectly fits your presentation. So and then drag it to wherever you want. So I'll put it right there, maybe just reduce the size a little bit. Right there, that is perfect. So I think that is perfect to me. So if you're creating like a PowerPoint presentation, you can use it right there, and as you can see, this looks beautiful for me. Okay, so and if perhaps you just wanted to save your image without the background and use it perhaps on your website or any other place like Microsoft Word, if you wanted, you can just copy like we've done. But if you wanted to save your particular image without the background, so all you need to do is ensure that it's copied. We had done that, but just to be sure, ensure that your image, the particular subject that you want removed from the background, ensure that that is copied. Hover to your menu and click on that, and now we are going to select the new option. And don't worry about this, since you had copied the particular subject, just click on don't save. And yeah, once you have the new canvas ready, you can right click on that and go to the paste option and click that. So as you can see, your image has been pasted, but it's too large. So let us just zoom out and then resize that. Drag it over to the particular canvas, resize it. So once it fits, you can zoom right back up, and then resize that to whichever size you want. So there is the problem of the white spaces. So as you can see, there is lots of white space here and there, on the right and on the left. So if you want to save your particular image without this extra white space, all you need to do is click on crop right at the top here. So click on that, and then once these points appear that you can drag, you drag it and resize it to whatever frame or size you want. So let us just do that, and once you are satisfied with whatever size you have, you can go ahead and click done. So you can drag that to ensure that it is perfectly where you want it, and once you're satisfied with the positioning of your particular image, go ahead and go back to the menu, click on that, and this time round go to the save as option and click on it, and then it brings the save as copy. Choose the file format, so we're saving it as an image, so click on image, let that load, and up here you have particular image or image types. So you have the PNG, JPEG, and all the rest. So we want it as PNG because we don't want the background, and ensure that this transparency option is selected. So click on transparency. So once your image appears with the checkered boxes, once it is checkered, that simply means that now your image has no background at all. So once that is done, you can go ahead and click on save and rename your image to whatever it is that you want. So let us just name it as new image. So once that is saved, go ahead and click. Once you've renamed, ensure that you know exactly where you're saving. So for mine, we are saving it on the desktop, so this PC and then desktop, and click save. So once that is done, you can retrieve your image by going to the desktop, and here goes our image. So the new image, here it is. So you can open that and you'll have your image. My laptop's a bit slow, but yeah, working. So that is our particular image without the background. Yep. So thank you so much for sticking around till the end, and if you found this particular video informative, please ensure to like it and subscribe to my channel. So the liking will ensure that my video is promoted and shown to more people, and that way I get the motivation to create more videos, and more people get to see my work and get to learn what you just learned. So thank you so much for sticking to the end, and let me know exactly what else you want to learn, other simple ways of doing things, especially on your machine without installing new software. So let me know exactly what you want to learn, and get in touch and help you do it. Thank you so much, and ensure to subscribe before you leave.